Hello everyone and welcome back to another lecture of Unlock NEAT. Class कल के lecture में we discussed in detail about the ribosomes. Also we understood important terms like polyribosomes क्या हैं, ergosome and polysomes क्या हैं. Along with that we also understood 70S and 80S type of ribosome, right? We also understood कि joining और separation of subunits के लिए किसका concentration required रहेगा. Along with that, we discussed ribosomal RNA and protein together constitute ribosome. इसीलिए इन्हें कहा गया ribonucleoprotein organelle and why they are called palate particles. So class, now we'll be discussing about cytoskeleton. So let's get started. So class, cytoskeleton एक supportive framework है of protein fibers and tubules and it performs several functions in the cell like maintaining shape of the cell, maintaining the positioning of cell organelles, cyclosis में, chromosome movement में and several other functions are performed by the components of cytoskeleton. So today we are going to discuss the three important components of cytoskeleton and these are microtubule, microfilament and intermediate filaments. So let's start with the very first cytoskeleton component, that is microtubule. The first cytoskeleton that we are going to discuss is microtubule. Plus microtubules cylindrical hollow structures होते हैं, right? जिनका diameter will be 250 Armstrong and they are composed of globular protein, that is tubulin, and microtubules जो हैं these are non-contractile component of cytoskeleton and you could see that microtubules they are well distributed in the cytoplasm of the cell. Talking about the function, पहला function है that they are involved in the cytokinases of plant cell. Very important class. माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स इन्वॉल्व रहेंगे साइटोकाइनेसिस यानी कि सेल डिवीजन ऑफ प्लांट सेल में. हियर यू कैन सी कि ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन सेल प्लेट फॉर्मेशन होता है, राइट? और ये जो सेल प्लेट फॉर्मेशन है दैट इज ड्यू टू द एग्रीगेशन ऑफ माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल. सो द माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन द साइटोकाइनेसिस ऑफ प्लांट सेल. नेक्स्ट फंक्शन है क्लास दैट दे आर इन्वॉल्व इन द क्रोमोसोम मूवमेंट. Here you can see class कि during the cell division ये जो chromosomes हैं they are present or they lie at equatorial plate, right? Now centromere के ऊपर proteinaceous disc present है that is called kinetochore और इस kinetochore से attached हैं spindle fibers. और class ये जो spindle fibers हैं they are going to exert force and will cause the movement of chromatids that are present in chromosome in opposite direction. तो आपने देखा कि ये जो chromosome में ये जो chromatids present है, right? Spindle fiber के force exert करने से ये opposite direction में move करेंगे, right? So these spindle fibers जो हैं they are composed of microtubule. इसीलिए कहा गया that microtubules they are involved in chromosomal movement. Next, they help in cell movement. Structures like cilia and flagella जो cell के locomotion में help करता है, even those structures are composed of microtubule or tubulin protein. Last है class that they are involved in intracellular transport. अभी हमने last topics में पढ़ा है कि endoplasmic reticulum से जो vesicle release होते हैं Golgi body बनाते हैं. Golgi body से जो vesicles release होते हैं later they become a part of plasma membrane. So whatever transport is occurring inside the cell is due to microtubules. So that is why they are responsible or they are involved in intracellular transport. ध्यान रखना है that microtubules they are involved in cytokinesis of plant cell. ये chromosomal movement में help करते हैं, right? Chromosomal movement के लिए spindle fibers जो है they are composed of microtubules. Cell movement यानी cilia and flagella like structures microtubules के बने हैं और इंट्रासेल्यूलर ट्रांसपोर्ट यानी कि जो वेसिकल का ट्रांसपोर्ट सेल के अंदर हो रहा है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम till they reaches the plasma membrane. All these activities are controlled by microtubule. Next, we are going to discuss about microfilament. Microfilament class, microfilament are solid rod-like in structure, right? इनका diameter vary करेगा from 50 to 60 Armstrong. They are composed of globular protein that is actin. याद रखिएगा class, जो माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स थे वो भी ग्लोब्यूलर प्रोटीन के बने थे, बट दैट वाज ट्यूब्यूलिन. बट हियर माइक्रोफिलामेंट्स दे आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ ग्लोब्यूलर प्रोटीन दैट इज actin. They are considered to be contractile components of cytoskeleton, and yes, they are also well distributed to cytoplasm like microtubules. Now talking about their functions, पहला function है that they are involved in cytokinases of animal cell. वहाँ पे microtubules involved थे during the cytokinases of plant cell, but here microfilaments they are involved in the cytokinases of animal cell. यहाँ पे जो cell plate formation होगा वहाँ पे किसकी activity involved रहेगी? Microfilaments की. Next है class that they are involved in cyclosis, that is the movement of cytoplasm around vacuole. Next, provide support to plasma membrane. Class, this is plasma membrane का structure. Plasma membrane के नीचे आपको ये sheet नजर आ रही है, right? And this sheet is composed of microfilament, right? और क्योंकि ये filament plasma membrane को एक support provide कर रही है, that is why microfilament are also considered as stress fiber, as it provide plasma membrane to counteract any type of stress. इसीलिए microfilaments they are also considered to be stress fiber. Next है class, they are involved in amoeboid movement, right? Pseudopodia या false foot formation जो होगा, that is also due to the activity of microfilaments. And last, that they help in endocytosis. एंडोसाइटोसिस के टाइम पे क्लास वेसिकल फॉर्मेशन होता है, एंड दिस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वेसिकल इज ड्यू टू द एक्टिविटी ऑफ माइक्रोफिलामेंट्स. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ माइक्रोफिलामेंट्स. साइटोकाइनेसिस ऑफ एनिमल सेल में इन्वॉल्व रहेगा, राइट? इन्वॉल्व इन साइक्लोसिस, राइट? साइटोप्लाज्म का मूवमेंट अराउंड वैक्यूल. इसके अलावा इट प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, जिसकी वजह से इसे स्ट्रेस फाइबर भी कहा जाता है, राइट? अमीबॉइड मूवमेंट में हेल्प करेगा, एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प इन वेसिकल फॉर्मेशन ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ endocytosis. Last is intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments class are the hollow structures, right? इनका diameter रहेगा 100 Armstrong. Class, इनका जो diameter है it is between the diameter of microtubule and microfilament. इसीलिए इन्हें कहा गया है intermediate filament. They are made of keratin protein that is lamin. Non-contractile components हैं cytoskeleton के, and yes, they are well distributed to cytoplasm, जो कि microtubule और microfilament भी थे, but along with that, they are also well distributed inside nucleus. Now, functions की बात करें class, so they help in maintaining the shape of the cell. They help in maintaining the position of cell organelles. They are part of cell to cell junctions या attachment में help करते हैं. इसके अलावा they form network around nucleus and also present inside nucleus. Here you can see class, ये जो intermediate filaments हैं ये आपके nucleus के around भी present है, and they form a basket like structure. इसके अलावा they are also present inside the nucleus, right? Intermediate filaments present inside the nucleus. इसके role को हम in detail discuss करेंगे in our topic nucleus, right? For now you should know कि ये nucleus में और cytoplasm में well distributed रहेंगे. इसके अलावा cell to cell junctions attachment में help करेंगे. They help in maintaining the position of cell organelles, and also they maintain the shape of the cell. So class, in today's lecture we have discussed in detail about the supportive framework of the cell, that is cytoskeleton. We discussed microtubule, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. इन तीनों में क्या differences हैं, right? कौन से proteins इनमें present रहेंगे? Which filament is said to be contractile and which is said to be non-contractile. इसके अलावा इनके functions को हमने discuss किया. Which fiber is said to be stress fiber, right? Cell to cell junctions में कौन से filaments involved हैं? इसके अलावा cytokinesis of animal cell में which filament is involved and which filament is involved in plant to kinesis. So class, in our next lecture, we'll be discussing more about tubulin proteins. Stay tuned for our next lecture. Thank you and have a great day.